welcome you all to Think Maths. We are in class 10 Maths, chapter 6, triangles. In this session, we are going to discuss about the example problems 1, 2 and 3. Example 1. If a line intersects sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC at D and E respectively and is parallel to BC, prove that AD by AB equal to AE by AC. What is given? If a line, this is the line DE, it intersects AB and AC at D and E respectively. So this line DE is parallel to BC. If it is so, we have to prove AD by AB is equal to AE by EC. Okay. So now let us write what is given. So given the line DE, it intersects at AB and AC. So, and is parallel to BC. So, the given is DE parallel to BC. Okay. So, we have to prove AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. So, let us prove. Now, what is given? DE parallel to BC. So, if DE is parallel to BC, by basic proportionality theorem, we have, what we have? DE is parallel to BC. So, by BPT theorem. By basic proportionality theorem, we have AD by DB will be equal to AE by EC. So, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So, this can also be written as this numerator and denominator can be interchanged on both sides. That is, if you divide 1 divided by these things, the numerator and denominator will be interchanged. So, we can write it as dB by AD equal to EC by AE. Why we are interchanging means, here we have AB. That is, AB is nothing but AD plus DB. So, AB is equal to AD plus DB. On the other side, we have AC. AC is nothing but AE plus EC. So, if there is in the numerator, if we have DB, if we add 1 on both sides, if we take LCM, we will get DB plus AD. So, we cannot add in the denominator. Only in the numerator, we can add. So, that we will get DB plus AD, then we will get AB. In the same way, on the other side, if you add 1 here, it will be EC plus AE. Then it will become AC. So, you will get this AB and AC. Okay. So, now let us do that procedure. Add 1 on both sides. So, what we get? DB by AD plus 1 equal to EC by AE plus 1. So, now let us take LCM. LCM is AD. So, DB plus AD equal to EC. Here LCM is AE. So, EC plus AE. So, what is DB plus AD? It is AB. So, AB by AD equal to EC plus AE is AC. So, AC divided by AE. Again, now we can interchange the numerator and denominator on both sides. So, it will become AD by AB equal to AE by AC. So, this is what it is given. So, we have proved it. Okay, understood? So, moving on to the next theorem in next example 2 in the next page. Example 2, ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. E and F are points on non-parallel sides AD and BC respectively, such that EF is parallel to AB. Show that AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. So, now what is given? Given AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC and E and F are points on non-parallel sides AD and BC and EF is parallel to AB. So that is EF is parallel to AB. So this is what given. What we have to prove? We have to prove AE by ED equal to BF by FC. So that is we got a ratio. So now we have to use the basic proportionality theorem. For that we need a triangle. So I am going to join AC. So this AC meets at G in EF. So what is the construction? The construction is join AC and there is a point G on EF. So that is AC meets EF at G. So these are the constructions we did. So now we have to prove. So what is given? AB is parallel to DC and EF is parallel to AB. So that is EF is also parallel to AB and DC is also parallel to AB. So we have lines parallel to the same line. So who is the same line here? AB. So which lines are parallel? DC and EF. Okay, so lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So which two lines are parallel to AB? DC and EF. So then DC is parallel to EF. So DC parallel to EF. Okay, understood? If two lines are parallel to each other, then we have DC parallel to EF. Okay. Next one, we are going to use the triangle ADC. So in triangle ADC. So what we have? EF is parallel to DC. So then EG will be parallel to DC. So EG parallel to DC. So if this is parallel, by basic proportionality theorem, we have AE by ED. AE by ED will be equal to AG by GC. AG by GC. So this is one equation. So let us take another triangle CAB. So in triangle CAB, what we have? EF is parallel to AB. So then GF will be parallel to AB. So GF parallel to AB. So in the same way, by basic proportionality theorem, what we have? CG by GA. CG by GA will be equal to CF by FB. CF by FB. Okay. So now we are going to invert on both sides. That is, we are going to interchange numerator and denominator. So what we get? GA by CG will be equal to FB by CF. Okay. So now just I am going to write GA as AG. So just GA length is also equal to AG length. So AG by CG can be written as GC. GC will be equal to FB can be written as BF and CF can be written as FC. This is second equation. So if you compare 1 and 2, what we get? So even in 1 we have AG by GC, even in 2 we have AG by GC. So AG by GC is equal to AE by ED. Here AG by GC is equal to BF by FC. Then we have AE by ED will be equal to BF by FC. So AE by ED will be equal to EF by BF by FC. So this is what we have to prove and we have proved it. Okay, understood? So moving on to the next example in the next page. Example 3, in triangle PQR. So this is the triangle PQR. PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR and angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. We have to prove that PQR is an isosceles triangle. So what is given in this triangle PQR? PS by SQ equal to PT by TR. This is given and angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. We have to prove PQR is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so this is what we have to prove. So let us prove here. So they have given PS by SQ equal to PT by TQ. So this ratio PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. So what happens? By converse of basic proportionality theorem, we will have ST parallel to QR. So by converse of BPT, we have ST parallel to QR. So if ST and QR are parallel, their corresponding angles will be equal. So we have studied this in the previous classes. If two lines are parallel, then their corresponding angles will be equal. So what is their corresponding angle? Angle PST will be equal to angle and their corresponding angle is SQR. Okay, or PQR. So let us take PQR. So this angle S and this angle Q will be equal. That is angle PST and angle PQR are equal. So but what is given? Angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. So when you compare 1 and 2, on the left hand side we have angle PST. Then RHS will be automatically equal. So that is angle PQR will be equal to angle PRQ from 1 and 2. Okay. So we have angle PQR equal to these two angles are equal. Angle PQR and PRQ are equal. We know that lines opposite to the equal angles are equal. That is, we studied in the previous classes. Lines opposite to equal angles are equal. So what are the lines opposite to PRQ? So the line opposite to PRQ is PQ. So the line opposite to PQR is PR. Okay. So we have PQ equal to PR. Okay. So we got two sides equal. So what do you know about isosceles triangle? In an isosceles triangle, if two sides are same, then it is an isosceles triangle. So PQ is equal to PR, then it means PQR is an isosceles triangle. Okay. I hope you can understand all the examples. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. Okay. Also, just like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. Thank you.